Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 18th February 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 24 points up move at the level of 10,778. US markets have done pretty great for itself on Friday. That's 443 points up on Dow Jones and 45 points up on Nasdaq and 29 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets to open in green in today's pre-open and open session. Let's see what Indian markets have to offer in the charts. There was a huge downturn on the Friday session chart, and there has been a huge resistance at the level of the 50-day moving average, which is now at the level of 10,816. Now that has to be barred in order for us to go upwards. So what is the supports? There is a huge support at the level of 10,707, where the market held and moved upwards from there onwards. And of course there was one more where the market took support at 10,672, which has been a very strong support for the market. It barred all those, it took support of all those, and afterwards went upwards from there. So the market is up for a good upturn from here onwards, because usually 10,672 to 11,087 is where the markets is actually having a base and the top as of now. So what are the supports and resistances? Of course, 10,707 is a huge support, 10,672 is a huge support, 10,650, 10,631, 10,618, 10,600 and 10,563 is the supports we have to watch out for. If that is also barred, then of course 10,500 is there to take support. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for? The big resistance comes at the level of 10,800, 10,824, 10,008. Okay, first of all 10,816, which is the 50-day moving average, which is a very strong resistance as of now. If that is barred, the level of 10,850 will act as a resistance. If that is also barred, 10,860, which is the 200-day moving average, will act as a huge resistance. 10,880 is a very strong resistance for the market as of now, which is the 50% of Fibonacci retracement. Above that, 10,900, 10,926, 10,936, 10,950, 11,000 are the resistances we have to watch out for in today's and upcoming sessions until it reaches the level of 11,000. Fast stochastic is at the level of 32, which means that it is kind of not an overbought zone or oversold zone. So we may see some up move from here onwards, is what fast stochastic is showing. Slow stochastic is at the level of 39, which does not mean that we are in a oversold zone yet. So we may see some downturn in order for us to come up, is what fast stochastic and slow stochastic both are denoting. MACD is negative and exponential is 19. So we are totally down on the momentum. There is no momentum in the market to drive it upwards. That being said, that's the technical analysis for you. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I am taking a session for Nifty intraday options trading, where I will teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.